Hello, welcome to our presentation on Kaizen. My name is Thomas Lebsekal and I'll be your narrator for this project presentation. Our group members are Austin Deck, Johannes Hayden Greer, Ofunne, and Packard. The Kaizen philosophy, which has revolutionized since the 1950s, is a methodology that relies on small incremental improvements that may lead to large changes. This process has led to very successful business moves for many companies in the past, including Toyota. Kaizen is made up of two Japanese words, Kai, which means change, and Zen, which means good. Also, Kaizen began as part of the Toyota production system to improve the quality of production through teamwork and change. This methodology asked employees to speak up and vent about their ideas, hoping it would lead to new, more innovative ideas. Companies that implement this methodology care about improving quality, cost, management, safety, and delivery. Instead of trying to attempt large changes to a system all at once, Kaizen focuses on small changes over time that can be monitored and changed if needed be. This process can not only save time on a process, but can also save a company money and changes, as changes will not disrupt the past incremental changes that were performed. Some of the pros and cons that come with Kaizen are improves teamwork, efficiency, and safety, which requires employees to work as a team. When tasks are performed under implemented Kaizen methods, efficiency is increased, and safety is also improves as well. And some of the cons include there's training required. Most departments are participated in this philosophy, and that change is also difficult. In Toyota, all members are always encouraged to participate in the development of ideas. This in order to create the best possible solution. Kaizen methodology needs logic and continuous assessment of what is going to be done. So every planned improvement is tested by questioning why at 5 levels. This system that became popular in the 70s, used by Toyota, seeks to find the main problem in an easy way. A name comes from the idea that the answer to a problem always take you to another why, and so on until you find the origin. Among the techniques used to develop the 5 whys, the most common ones and the most popular ones are the Ishikawa diagram and the tabular format. The first is a graphical representation where several minor factors go to a number of causes that lead to the same center line that resolves the problem. However, the 5 whys method is also criticized because it tends to find only one root cause of a problem, leaving aside other possible factors that might have affected. In current case of Toyota, this system is being used not only to resolve conflicts, but to avoid creating new plans or changes without sufficient justification. Kaizen originated from Toyota factories, so it would be natural that they are the brightest example of a company that made an excellent practice of continuous improvement. 2 good examples of them using Kaizen are stoppage of the whole system in case of an abnormality, and Hansi Kai, which is a meeting that held after projects whether they're successful or not. For the abnormality, the staff and their supervisors suggest options to resolve the situation and use the optimal solution. For the meeting, the process is analyzed to optimize further projects. Toyota knows that Kaizen is a continuous process, and it results in continuous progress and improvements. Thus, they will continue to use it for increased improvement. To implement Kaizen, Toyota strives to improve. For that, they have to find problems in their system. Under they mean opportunity to improve. Thus, the idea of a problem is the gap between their current situation and the ideal situation. Current situation minus the ideal situation equals the actual problem. This means that having a problem is a good thing, meaning that they can always improve. The Kaizen process has impacted Toyota in several ways. It has allowed the business to spend less on investment in new facilities to increase productivity. The Kaizen implementation has made an impact in changing the manufacturing and management culture. The Kaizen process has led to improvements in the space utilization, teamwork, as well as the quality of the products. In the next slide, we will briefly refer to a case study. The case study reviews the implementation of Kaizen principles in Toyota, Saudi Arabia. The problem was set to increase the amount of products and productivity of a team without increasing the facilities and installers in the span of 1 year. The next slide highlights the results of the implementation of the Kaizen process. These results are, as shown, increased the production rate. The new yearly plan was achieved without the use of company spending to make new facilities or hire new installers. Rather, under the Kaizen process, the communication and relationships of teams were strengthened. An overall outcome was highlighted in the article was the consistent and yearly increase in the quality in the process in the Toyota production system. Thank you so much for sitting here and learning what Kaizen was. We appreciate you guys. Hope you guys have a great day.